four men who allegedly got into an altercation with their Uber driver on Christmas Eve were all in court today to face several charges. But what happened among the lawyers took a different turn. Brenda Waters is here live with what happened. Brenda.
Hi, Susan. 3 attorneys for suspects, one of the attorneys representing 2 of them, all meeting at city court today along with the Uber driver and his attorney, but decided to work things out without pursuing a criminal case. The Uber driver and his passengers appeared in court with attorneys in tow, and everyone decided to go with this plan.
That this should be resolved in a different form, not in the criminal form.
The driver, Andrew Farkarsh, was working Christmas Eve morning when he picked up 4 passengers just before 2 a.m. on the south side. He never expected things to go in the direction they did, with a gunshot grazing the head of one of his passengers. Farkarsh says when he picked up the 4 men on the south side, they were acting, quote, disorderly, and he asked them to calm down. The driver says one of the passengers, 22-year-old Joseph Antonucci of Oakdale, said, "There's 4 of us. I have a knife. I'll stab you. What are you going to do?" Farkarsh says someone in the back seat grabs his shirt and yanked him backward. That's when he pulled over in South Oakland and told the men to get out. Farkarsh steps out of the vehicle as well. He says Antonucci pinned him against his vehicle and passenger Phil Pisano tried to take the keys. Farkarsh calls 911. The other passengers, also including Reed Brugman and Joseph Collins, take off running. Farkarsh follows them, finds them, and he and Pisano wrestle, putting him in a chokehold. Fearing for his life, Farkarsh says he pulls out his gun and fires it, grazing Pisano in the head. Police say they believe Farkarsh acted in self-defense. The 4 passengers were arrested. Phil DeLacente represents Pisano.
I believe we've come to a resolution on this matter. It's being postponed so that ultimately the district attorney's office can review some of the evidence that has been gathered in this case. And we're hopeful that there will be a good outcome for these young men who have not been in trouble and have good careers in front of them.
All 4 passengers have been charged with robbery. Pisano also faces a charge of strangulation, and Antonucci is also charged with simple assault and terroristic threats. All parties involved will meet again January 15th. Guys?